This finishes off the unit beautifully, and it finally looks like a real product. But before I can test it out, there's a bit of an elephant in the room. How on earth is it going to be powered? You see, the motherboard itself needs a 12-volt power supply in order to turn on. Now, the original one is a super weird shape and is kind of massive, especially compared to how small the console is now, so we're going to swap it out for a much smaller gallium nitride alternative. Despite its high power capability, it's actually smaller than many laptop power bricks, so it's a good choice for this project.